6 Dark Mind Tricks to Get Girls. Number 1. The will to walk away. Many of you have to deal with difficult women. She says no, but yet you're still there, trying to manage her, trying to prove to her that you're worth it. If she's difficult, you need to walk away. I don't care if she's attractive or has something else to do. You walk away, and I'm telling you, it's going to work out to your advantage. Number 2. Don't care. This trick is used by bad boys. You care way too much, which is fine when it's the right girl, but I'm talking about the girl you just met, who's difficult, and you're trying to make her believe you care. One thing you must learn from bad boys is not to care or to care less. Number 3. Being selfish. Bad boys are notorious for being selfish. I know many of you were raised to share and care for others, and that's fine. But you also have to be selfish when it comes to yourself. Number 4. Pretend you've been there before. This sounds like the expression, fake it till you make it, but I'm not talking about spending money you don't have. I'm talking about self-confidence. When you meet an attractive woman, don't act like you've never seen anyone like her before. Act as if you have dated women just as attractive, if not more so. Number 5. Don't ask for permission, ask for forgiveness. Too often, we wait for approval from others. Whether it's our parents, partner, or friends, stop waiting. Do what you have to do, be ambitious, take risks. And if something doesn't work, apologize later. Number 6. Welcome failure. Nobody wants to fail, but failure is part of success. If you never fail, you're probably not taking enough risks. Don't be afraid of rejection.